Hi everyone, and welcome to the AWS booth here at NAB 2025. My name is Samira Bakhtiar. I'm the General Manager of our Media, Entertainment, Games and Sports Industry Business Unit, and I'm very delighted to talk to you a bit about what we're showcasing here at the booth. This year, our booth is structured around a really beautiful and compelling story driven around F1. The Formula One and AWS have partnered to be able to demonstrate our ability to be able to create content, connect workloads, and help to monetize those workloads as we seek to captivate audiences around the world. Across the booth, you can see how we're structuring that across an area that's dedicated to live cloud production. It's actually right behind me right now, some of the beautiful viewing areas. We also have a focused effort around fan engagement and what it means to be able to delight audiences across multiple different content mediums. We also have a very robust focus on audio this year as we strive to meet the needs of younger demographics who really love social media, music, and podcasts, just to name a few. All of this is being enhanced by some of our game tech technologies to allow for us to really converge the tech stacks associated to digital and linear and create very compelling stories. Now, in the areas of content creation specifically, we're demonstrating many of our workloads that rely on some of the fantastic new foundational models that Amazon has launched, inclusive of our Amazon Nova family. Within Amazon Nova, we have a whole area that's dedicated on image creation as well as video creation, and we're very delighted to be able to demonstrate the ability to create mood boards as well as storyboarding that will help to assist a visual artist. We also have a focus area around rendering and VFX as well. Very delighted to be able to show you. I'd love to actually demonstrate some of these in booth with you right now, so why don't we go take a walkabout? So as I mentioned, we have a huge focus here around live sports production, and this is really meant to demonstrate how the cloud is absolutely ready to be able to handle all of the immense workloads that live events demand. So behind me here, you can see a broadcast operations, monitoring and operations center, and we're delighted to be able to bring in feeds from live activation that we have in the West Hall across a race simulator as well. So really coming back to this notion of being able to converge technologies to be able to really delight audiences. Now I want to show you a couple other things. So rather than having me tell you what's cool at the AWS booth, I thought we could have Ruth give you a quick preview. Ruth, who are you? What are you doing here? And what's new at the AWS booth?
I'm Ruth, an AI avatar inspired by the real-life F1 race strategist and TV presenter Ruth Buscombe, created by AWS to bring exciting insights about Formula One strategy. Would you like to hear about race tactics?
Tell me what's new and novel at AWS relevant to content creation and production.
At the NAB booth, we're showcasing some incredible AWS innovations like Amazon Nova Canvas for image generation and Nova Reel for video creation, which are revolutionizing content production with generative AI. Would you like to hear about our latest creative tools?
Yes, please.
Our Amazon Nova Canvas lets you generate professional-grade images with just a text prompt, and Nova Reel can create high-quality videos using natural language. It's like having a creative director and production team in the cloud. Want to see a quick demo?
So if you want to see a demo, we encourage you to come by the booth. Again, all of this can be used to help assist the creative process, and we're so delighted to be able to showcase this technology here at NAB 2025.
Yeah, here is a demo on character consistent storyboarding. In this example, we actually fine-tuned a model using Amazon Nova Canvas that will be able to learn a specific IP character. Right? In this example, we take the short film from AWS called Pichu, and the model was able to learn the main character Mayu and her mom. And then after that, we create a customized model, and then we can use that model to create new sequel scenes of this particular storyline. And we're able to generate highly character consistent fine-tuned model. You notice that the hair, the color of the band, the sweater, and even the earring of the character are consistent to the original video. It's a great way for you to take original series and creating different sequels from that point on, leveraging the fine-tune and customization capability of Amazon Nova model.